Yes. It is definitely that time again. I wasn't going to do any videos today because I'm here trying to enjoy life, you understand? My main source of joy and money and whatever else that is good in life is not from social media. So I was enjoying my life outside of it all. But I just stumble upon a video, you know what I mean? People sending me stuff, you understand? You notice I'm not have no intro, I just go straight into the meat of the matter because the delusion of this youth is unbelievable. You understand? Bro, I don't know how much more time if I say you're talented. I don't know how much more time if I say, yo, I'm genuinely worried about your mental state. You are a talented youth. You are a very talented youth. Nobody can deny that, but you're troubled. And I'm not going to stop saying that you're troubled. And for me to be saying these bold things that I've been saying these last few videos, I think that you should believe me when I tell you that I was never in your group. And nobody that I'm personally associated with is in your group. I don't even know what app you use. For you to say that I have spies in your group, I laugh at that. As I said, I like to enjoy my life outside of social media. This is another stream of income. You understand? That's about it. You understand? Look too pretty, girl. That's it. You understand? That's about it, bro. So when you're saying that I have spies in your group, bro, I have to skin my teeth at that. Bro, you are not nobody of importance for me to be planting spies. I don't even have people like that around me. You want to know why? Because I don't have the time to be sending people, or the luxury to be sending people to go see what's going on in your group so they can report back to me and I can scribble down or save this or save that. Bro, I got a life, bro. I got a life. I was just enjoying some Tito's a while ago with some company. And we were both watching your video a while ago. And I was watching the video in disbelief. For you to be saying that I have spies in your group. Bro, it's the same people who you have in your group for the longest while come and send me stuff, bro. So you're talking about, oh, clan this and clan that. Bro, a lot of people are not going to be loyal to you, bro. You need to understand that, bro. I had a group once. And then 2 years a year, some of them I say, they are the reason why I'm at where I'm at. You understand? A lot of people ain't going to be loyal to you, bro. I don't have anybody in your group, bro. And as I said before, I've said a lot of bold things about you. I've said a lot of disrespectful things about you. Some of which I don't mean. I just want to get under your skin, bro. I just want to piss you off. I'm a shit talker. I want to piss you off and I want to piss off your little blood clot minions them. And speaking about your little minions them, bro, of course I'm going to block them. They were trying to report my page. You see, this is the thing about you that I really admire. You are skilled in the art of manipulation. Oh, I'ma block my follower them and I'ma make you look like you. But bro, they were just trying to report my page. What do you think I'm supposed to do? Let them go run amok? Do I look like a fucking idiot? Do I look like a fucking idiot to let your people come over my platform and report my blood clot page? Do I look like I'm an idiot, bruh? You take me for a fool, brother. You have mastered the art of manipulation, and for that, sir, I lift my hat off. You should run for prime minister. Knock Andrew Holness out of the race and run for prime minister because you will have Jamaica in the palm of your hands, bro. Tavii, you are not only talented with creating content, you are also talented with manipulation tactics, bruh. Telling people that I have spies in your group. What? The same thing them people they do to you, bro, that has been done to me. People who you think they're on your side I run and attack, yo. And then you come talk about I'm blocking your minions. Damn right I'm blocking them. First of all, them disrespectful. Secondly, you just sent them to report my page. You think I'm going to leave them on my page to go say and do anything? Think. Or maybe you have already thought about that, but you sat and thought about a way how to word it to make it look like, say, the Negus just want bad comments on the internet about you. Of course, I'm going to leave comments that are in my favor and delete your little reckless minion them because, as I said before, they are trying to delete my page. And let me tell you this. Every piece of information that was sent to me, bro, it was sent by people who are legitimately clan members, bro. And listen, let me tell you this real quick. A lot of them in that group, bro, they are not for you, bro. You got to be careful. Be careful. I do not hate you and I don't despise you. I don't nothing, brother. You want to know why? Because I don't know you. You have never done anything to me who me can say, you know, say, you me hate that boy. That boy, I chuck flick him down in a whatever. No, bruh. No. I just think you're weird. And I think that you need help mentally, bro. I think you need help mentally. Like, trust me, like, big time. You genuinely need help. You need help, brother. And I've been so bold to say those things. You should believe me when I said I don't have anybody in your group. I'm only making this video because I don't want nobody to feel like I'm doing these things that he's saying, bro. I'm not a low life, bro. I don't have no time. You're not that special, bro. You're special when it comes to content creation, but you're not that special for me to be wanting to create content and do all types of shit, bro. You understand what I deal with? So I need to understand that, brother. Watch who you have around your circle. At them a draw down your energy. Them a draw down your energy. I'm not doing nothing but reporting. And you don't like what I'm reporting. So before you run amok and run off your mouth, but oh yeah, Ray, yo, Negus, this and Ray. Wait, you didn't call my name. You didn't call my name. But I'm gonna call your name. Kyng tavii, you're fucking weird, bruh. You're weird. But that's how it is when it comes to geniuses, and all geniuses are weird, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little weird too. People don't know if when I'm in a good mood, when I'm not in a good mood. Some people don't think I'm approachable. You know what I'm saying? But you're saying I'm not going anywhere. I definitely doubt that. And I would love to have a challenge. Not no boxing challenge or nothing like that. Let's go skit for skit, bro. Let's see who's really talented. Let's go skit for skit. Let's go song for song. And let's see who would win. I would destroy you. You're a great content creator, but you're a subpar actor, bro. Your acting is okay. Let's go skit for skit. Let's go song for song. I mean, yeah, t-shirt, the neck kind of ring out and my head look crazy. I'm just here responding to that bullshit video you put out, bro. I'm here, as I said, enjoying some Tito's and some cranberry with company. But I had to leave her alone and come right here, sir, and create this video right quick to tell you that you're not that special for me to be in your group. I'm not in your group. I was never in your group. And I want you to understand that. Bro, get some help, bro. Genuinely, like, no disrespect. And I think some of the people you have around you are egging you on to do the wrong things. You need more positive people in your group. Some of the same people you talk about are just positivity and whatever. The minute someone says something about Tavii, they screenshot it, they put it in your group. One of your members told me that. You know, they laugh about it, they go and they comment in your favor, as they should, because you're the leader. They should protect their leader. But at the same time, they should be able to tell their leader, hey, bro, I think you need to chill out sometimes. And you as a leader need to listen. And I'm telling you, bro, you're not that special. You're not that special, bro. You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. I don't even care where this video go. I just hope you see this, bro. Again, in every video that I've ever done about Kyng tavii, I've always said that this youth is a very talented youth. I'm low on energy today, so this is not going to be a super long video. I'm going back to enjoy my company and sip on my Tito's. But I just want to let you know, bro, all those great things you said coming your way in the end of that video, I hope you definitely get them, bro, because Jamaica is lacking in talent and you have a lot of talent. But change your ways, bro. You need to. Everybody can't be saying the same thing about you and you're the only one saying, oh, I'm being attacked, bro. The world cannot be against you, bro. Sometimes you have to check the energy where you are put out. The law of attraction. You get what you give. You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Negusimara and Kyng tavii. Stay talented, youth. Up.